Hello guys, good morning everyone. Let's start new topic animal kingdom. It's a very important and highly weighted for you right now. So guys, animal kingdom, here we can discuss about taxonomy. Taxonomy is actually made up of two words, taxis and nomos. Taxis and nomos. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means law. So what you will say that taxonomy is actually branch of biology where we will do a study of classification and nomenclature of animal. Called what? Taxonomy. Is that clear or not right now? Actually taxonomy is separate, plant taxonomy and animal. But here we can say a study of the classification and nomenclature of animal called taxonomy. Guys, actually the term taxonomy coined by scientist, that is Candle, right? And one more scientist involved, that is Aristotle, and Aristotle is called father of biology or zoology and father of ancient taxonomy. Guys, according to Aristotle is actually animal classified into actually two categories. According to Aristotle, animals two types on the basis of presence and absence of RBC. First we can say enema and enema. Guys, enema means what? Enema means presence of RBC. Those animals have red blood cell that under enema. Example will be chordates. In the sense what case? Vertebrates. Right? Enema means what? Those organisms actually absence of RBC. Absence of RBC means what? Enema. Example, invertebrates. Is that clear or not yet? So it's a classification of animal according to Aristotle on the basis of presence and absence of RBC, means on the basis of color of blood. Is that clear guys? Okay. Now we will discuss about actually basis of classification. First, on the basis of level of organization. On the basis of level of organization, first protoplasmic level, right? Cellular level, next tissue level, organ level and organ system level. So it's a basis of classification on the basis of level. First, protoplasmic level. Actually here acellular body perform all biological activity and the best example protozoans. So protoplasmic level. Cellular level is where cells will participate. Example, porifera, sponges, phylum porifera. Tissue level organization, group of cells form tissue, and tissue level of organization. Here we can consider Celentrata as well as what? Ctenophora. Celentrata and Ctenophora. Organ level of organization, phylum platyhelminths and some other higher phylum. And organ system level of organization is start from phylum SK helminths, phylum SK helminths to chordata, right? So it's a level of organization, clear or not, right? Second is what, guys? On the basis of symmetry, on the basis of symmetry. On the basis of symmetry, animals categorized into three. Some animals show asymmetrical condition, that is called asymmetry. Some show radial symmetry, and most of the organisms show bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, right? Okay. Asymmetry in the sense कि when any plane passes through central axis, body did not divide into two equal half, that is called asymmetry. And most of the sponges consider under asymmetry. Is that clear? Second is radial symmetry, third is bilateral symmetry. Radial and bilateral symmetry almost equal. Difference is what, guys? In a radial symmetry, when any plane passes through central axis, body divided into two equal half. Here also body divided into two equal half. But in bilateral symmetry, guys, body divided into two identical half, left and right at one plane. Is that clear or not? So under radial symmetry, we can consider what, like Coelenterata, as well as what, guys, Ctenophora. Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Is that clear or not? Under bilateral symmetry, we can consider phylum Platyhelminths, to chordata. Phylum Platyhelminths to chordata. Right? So it's on the basis of symmetry. Third, on the basis of body cavity. Body cavity means what, guys? On the basis of coelom. On the basis of body cavity, animals is three types, guys, right? First, acoelomates. Second, pseudocoelomates, and coelomates. Guys, acoelomates in the sense what? Acoelomates in the sense where body cavity will be actually absent, right? And the best example of the acoelomates, phylum Platyhelminths. Phylum Platyhelminths consider under what is acoelomates. Pseudocoelomates. What is the meaning of pseudocoelomates? Pseudocoelomates in the sense false cavity. Here, mesoderm, instead of mesoderm, presence of scattered pouches are there, right? Scattered pouches, and the best example is SK helminths. Next is what, guys? Coelomates. Coelomates in the sense what? True body cavity, and it present from phylum Annelida to chordata. Is that clear? So it's all about on the basis of body cavity. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Now fourth one, on the basis of germinal layer. So guys, on the basis of germinal layer, two type of germinal layer present, guys. That is called the diploblastic organism. Two type of animal on the basis of amniotic germinal layer, diploblastic as well as triploblastic. Diploblastic animal, two germinal layer is there, that is ectoderm and endoderm. Is that clear? Actually here mesoderm will be absent. So in between ectoderm and endoderm, instead of mesoderm, here presence of mesoglia. Presence of what, guys? Mesoglia is there. Is that clear? That is a diploblastic animal, and the diploblastic animal is what? That is about from phylum Porifera to helminths, like that. In the sense actually Pterophora, and from platyhelminths to come to chordata, consider another triploblastic animal. And the triploblastic animal here, presence of three germinal layer, ectoderm, mesoderm as well as endoderm. Is that clear? So it's on the basis of what? On the basis of actually germinal layer. Now next guess we can say here, fifth one, on the basis of notochord. On the basis of notochord. So guys, on the basis of notochord, actually animals classified into two categories. One is chordates, another is non-chordates. Chordates and non-chordates, right? Chordates in the sense here, presence of notochord. Clear? And the example will be phylum chordata. Actually in vertebrates, this notochord replaced by vertebral columns. Second is non-chordates, and the non-chordates actually here absence of notochord. Absence of what guys? Notochord. And remember one point, it should be considered example from phylum Porifera to hemichordata. So it's all about what? On the basis of guys notochord, right? Next, on the basis of segmentation. On the basis of what guys? Segmentation. So on the basis of segmentation, if we can say, actually what is the segmentation process? Right, actually it's called, we are talking about what guys? That is called the metameric segmentation. And the metameric segmentation, best example is phylum Annelida, Arthropoda and chordata. So it's so what is segmentation property, right? Now next, on the basis of body plane. On the basis of what guys? Body plane. On the basis of body plane, animals is three types guys. First, cell aggregates type. Second, blind sac type. And third, tube with tube type. Tube within tube type. So animals categorize three categories on the basis of what guys? On the basis of body plane. Cell aggregates type, where actually cellular activity is there. Body performed by cellular activity. And here the best example is what? Sponge. Next, blind sac type. Blind sac type in the sense where one pore serve as mouth and what guys? Anus. And the best example will be what guys? That is our platyhelminths. Platyhelminths is what guys? It is a blind sac type is there. Tube within tube type. Tube within tube type in the sense what guys? Here the best example considered from where guys? From after platyhelminths to chordata. Up to what guys? You can say up to chordata. So it's about the what guys? Tube within tube type is there, right? Now next will be what guys? On the basis of circulatory system. So circulatory system is actually two types. Open type of circulatory system as well as what guys? Closed type of circulatory system. Open type of circulatory system means what guys here? Actually here blood vessels poorly developed. Blood never flow through vessels. Actually open space will be involved. That is called sinuses. And the best example of open type circulatory system, arthropoda. And the closed type of circulatory system, where blood vessels well developed, blood flow through vessels, that is a closed type circulatory system, and the example phylum Annelida and what guys, Chordata. Is that clear or not, right? So it's all about the what guys, on the basis of classification. So what I said there, actually in taxonomy we are discussing what guys, we are discussing actually classification and nomenclature of animal. So we are classified animal so many categories, like on the basis of level of organization, on the basis of symmetry, on the basis of body cavity, on the basis of general layer, on the basis of notochord, on the basis of segmentation, on the basis of body plane, on the basis of circulatory system. So that is all about what guys, basis of the classification. And guys, in next video we will discuss about phylum Porifera. We will start from the invertebrates, from phylum Porifera, but it's a very highly important topic as 100% one question fixed in NEET exam and two question fixed in IIT exam. Is that clear or not? So have a nice day guys. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.